Back speaking with Pete Harold this morning from Rumble Resources on JustStocks. Pete, morning.
Morning, Andrew.
Yeah, good to see you, Pete. Some news out this morning here, plans to drill test a number of prospects at the Western Queen Gold project. Not a project we've talked about in too much detail previously, so give us a quick recap on the asset.
Yeah, thank you. So look, we've had this asset for a while, and obviously over the last couple of years, the primary focus of business has been on orogenic, potentially a world-class zinc, lead, silver project. And right now we're in the middle of metallurgical test work, and that's taking quite a while. So a bit of a sort of a dearth of news flow, and we've been watching the gold price pretty closely like the rest of the market. And this one sort of, we had a strategy session a couple of weeks ago with the guys here, and I've been here now for sort of 10 weeks, and so it became quite apparent to me that this is something that we should be looking at again, given the gold price and also just what's been happening in the areas. Spartan have had a fantastic discovery with Never Never, and we're sort of I think there's something like nearly 1 million ounces at sort of 5.5 grams, nearly 6 grams. So fantastic discovery, and they've got a market cap now pushing up over sort of $750 million. So and here we're sitting at sort of 45 to 50 mil with an asset that's already got a resource on it. So Western Queen's it's been mined before. There was about over 200,000 ounces mined in the past. There's an open pit and underground potential resource there of about 160,000 ounces at about 2.5 grams. And, there is a very good potential comparison between the mineralisation at Never Never and what we've got, or what we could have at Western Queen. So look, yeah, we've gone back, had a look at the data. We put out that announcement this morning that just gives the market a bit of an idea of what we're sort of trying to do. And we've planned a drill program, and we're very excited about moving forward with that. And right now, we're still very excited about our zinc project. But in the meantime, let's have a look at the gold and see if we can't find some more parallel lodes, which could really bulk out the ounces and make this a very, very attractive asset.
Well, how soon do you reckon you could get a rig on site?
Oh, look, I'd be hoping sort of like the boys have done the planning early next, sometime in May, probably late May. Yeah, so there are rigs available at the moment, and it's not a big program that we're talking about, so it's not too expensive, but it's one that could add some significant value very quickly. And so, yeah, we're very, very keen to get this done. And I think, and there's also the other thing about it too, is that there is processing facilities in the vicinity, right? So wouldn't necessarily have to build your own plant. If you had good success there, you might be able to toll treat it or even sell it to, or joint venture it with one of the groups that's in the area. So I think it's a real opportunity to leverage off the gold price. And it's one of the things that attracted me to the business when I joined, that we're not just a zinc company, we're a multi-element company. We've got multi-metal, and we've got this project, we've got some copper projects, we've got lithium at Wada Wada. So yeah, we've got some really interesting projects which are probably being I don't know, just pushed back in terms of investors thinking, because so much focus was on the zinc for the last couple of years, which is rightly so. But I just like optionality, and we're not just a one-trick pony, Andrew.
Good to speak, Pete. Thanks for your time.
Thanks a lot, Andrew.